my name is Ryan McNutt from Ontario Motor Sales, and I am here to show you power up and down seats. I'm going to use the Cadillac Escalade as the example vehicle. It is available on other vehicles as well, such as the Tahoe, Yukon, Traverse, Suburban, and others. But I'm going to flip the camera around and I'll show you how this works. So you'll want to use the power up and down seats to create more cargo space in the back of the vehicle. We simply come in here, we're going to fold the front seat down, and then we are going to power fold the seat, power fold this seat, and lots of cargo space. And if you want to put them back up, simply push the up button and up it comes. We'll do that one more time. And we're back. There you have it. Power up and down folding seats in the Escalade. This is a 2020 Escalade Platinum that I used. Again, it's available on multiple lineups. So there you have it. Have a great day.